Hello dear friends, here we welcome you to the latest selection of top mechanical keyboards for gaming and work. These are all premium choices from start to end. Let's start. At number 8 we have the best wireless Steampunk keyboard. The keyboard chassis is constructed entirely out of a new scratch-resistant aluminum alloy for an incredible feel of quality and durability. It can also accommodate most 12-inch tablets as long as it's less than 5/8 thick, including the new iPad Pro 12-inch. The Qwerkywriter can be connected to multiple wireless devices at the same time. So now you can have a mobile phone, a tablet, and a laptop all connected wirelessly to the keyboard. Made for professionals and type warriors, the Qwerkywriter can perform at the highest levels without dropping letters or strokes. The Qwerkywriter works with Win 10, macOS, iOS, and Android devices either in wired USB or Bluetooth wireless mode. At number 7 we have the best HyperX Alloy Origins gaming keyboard. The HyperX Alloy Origins is a compact, sturdy keyboard featuring custom HyperX mechanical switches designed to give gamers the best blend of style, performance, and reliability. These key switches have exposed LEDs for stunning lighting with an actuation force and travel distance elegantly balanced for responsiveness and accuracy. At number 6 we have the best Mac wired mechanical keyboard. The DOS Keyboard 4 Professional for Mac mechanical keyboard experience is like no other. From the initial idea to every fine detail when crafting this machine, the experience we deliver to customers is what drives our team. The combination of tactile feel, the psycho-acoustic experience and incredible craftsmanship all deliver an unmatched typing experience that only DOS Keyboard 4 offers. With a DOS Keyboard 4 for Mac, you'll type faster and longer. It feels so good, you won't want to stop. DOS Keyboard 4 Professional for Mac mechanical keyboard is specifically designed for maximum Mac compatibility. At number 5 we have USB Luxury Vintage Mechanical Keyboard. Inspired by vintage typewriters and crafted with ultramodern features, the ASIO Retro Classic is the perfect amalgam of past, present and future. The Retro Classic is a backlit mechanical keyboard with round keycaps that evokes nostalgia of yesteryear complemented with a durable aluminum frame. At number 4 we have the best Razer Huntsman Elite Gaming Keyboard. Introduces the new Razer optical switch for unmatched speed and accuracy, combined with a new switch design. It's the first click switch that actuates and resets at the exact same point for rapid performance. The keyboard also features a programmable digital dial for quick access to functions. Personalize settings with hybrid onboard memory and cloud storage. It comes with an ergonomic wrist rest for long-lasting comfort. It is faster than traditional mechanical switches. Razer linear optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light 15 to 30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. It is fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. It is covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. At number 3 we have the best wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. A cohesive, motivating story around the product in about 100 words. This technology also reacts to in-game action, audio and screen color as you choose. At number 2 we have the Corsair K68 mechanical gaming keyboard. The Corsair K68 mechanical keyboard features 100% Cherry MX Red key switches with dynamic backlighting and dust and spill resistance up to IP32 to enable a high-performance gaming experience. The dedicated volume and multimedia controls allow you to adjust your audio without interrupting your game. 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover ensures your commands and simultaneous keystrokes always register the way you intended. The editor's choice. And at number 1 we have the best retro Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. A colorful retro mechanical keyboard inspired by typewriter embrace the nature through its colorful design, makes touch typing easier, and adding a touch of glamour to your personal style. A colorful retro keyboard inspired by the vintage typewriters. Its colorful design and mechanical keyboard makes typing easier, more enjoyable. 79 mechanical keys with a full N-key rollover layout allows you to accurately type multiple letters at once without any latency. With 3-level LED backlit illuminated, 4 seasons allows you to adjust the backlight whenever you want. A typewriter-inspired mechanical keyboard that comes with round keycaps and Gateron blue switches to bring you a blast from the past. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.